Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Mason the Mason. In this video, I'm pouring like an outside fire pit area. The truck's here. Me, Reggie, and Dave formed this up last night. Alrighty, we threw a couple chutes on. I wet the gravel down because it's gonna be hot today, so I sprayed the water everywhere. Hopefully that helps it not blow up so fast on us. And we're gonna get started here. So I'm gonna throw on a time lapse so you see this done real quick, and I'll get back to you. Alright, we got her all bull floated and edged. Let it set up for a minute, and then we're gonna start putting my swirls in there. Alright, it's ready to go. Not sinking, so I can start putting the swirls in. So we're gonna work like dogs for about 45 minutes and finish her up. So that's the project. Sealed it, everything, and we'll be back later to strip the forms off and to saw cut. So we came back, ripped the forms off, saw cut it, and separated the pad over here from the existing one. So this is pretty much the project. I'm all done. Got her all blowed off, and yeah, so it's turned out nice. Even though it was absolutely terrifying, you know, but oh well. Alrighty, so thanks for watching.